Hello and welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman, and in this lesson, we're going to learn how to play the B section of I Hear the Mill Wheel. Let's check out the score to get started. All right, let's check out the B section of I Hear the Mill Wheel, which starts here in measure 9. Can you tell me the rhythm words for this first measure? What do we say for this rhythm here? This is a T-ticky. T-ticky, T-T. Can you say it with me? Ready, go. T-ticky, T-T. And then we have T-T-T, ticky-ta, T-ticky-ta-ta. Okay, here's a new symbol. This symbol here is called a fermata. The cool thing about a fermata is it means you can stop and hold extra long on that note. Pretty much as long as the performer feels like. As long as I want? Yeah, that's right, Scuba. You can hold that note pretty much as long as you want. What if I wanted to hold it for like an hour? Well, I guess you could do that. How about a whole week? Well, if you did that, I think the people listening to your song might get bored and walk away. Oh, got it. Okay. Well, so I would suggest you just hold it a little extra long. Tick-a-ta-ka. Take a breath, and then you can go on. Now, let's take a look at if the notes are stepping, skipping, or repeating. Can you tell me how these first 5 notes are moving? Say start. Now you go on. The correct answer is start, repeat, step up, skip down. Now let's figure out the solfege. Since we're in the key of E flat minor, can you tell me the letter name of this first note? It's an E flat. So that means this would be do, 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 re, mi, do. Now your turn. Point and sing. Then we skip back up here. What would the solfege be for these next 3 notes? We were on do here, so what's this? The correct answer is mi, fa, so. Your turn. Then notice we have mi, fa, so again. Mi, fa, so. Then it steps down to fa. Mi, fa, so, fa. Your turn. Mi, fa, so, fa. With the fermata. Your turn. Great. Let's try to play it. Let's get both of our hands in the E flat minor pentascale. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Your turn. Now let's check out measure 9 here. And let's just start with the right hand. We have do, do, re, mi, do. Can you figure out how to play that on your own? It's do, do, re, mi, do. Now you try again. Now let's try that with our left hand. Do, do, re, mi, do. Now you try. Let's try hands together. Do, do, re, mi, do. Your turn. Now, in measure 10, can you tell me the letter name of this first note? If you said G flat, you're correct. Wiggle your finger that's on G flat in the E flat minor pentascale. If you're wiggling finger 3, you're correct. So we're here on G flat, and we have mi, fa, so. 3 staccatos in a row. 1, 2, 3. Remember, a little lift of the wrist is all it needs to make that a nice light staccato sound. Tick, tick, tock. Your turn. Mi, fa, so. Let's try it one more time. Go. Now let's put that together with measure 9. We have tick, tick-a-tock, tick, tick, tock. Notice the difference between this slur, very legato, and then tick, tick, tock. Pause the video and work on that section on your own, then press play to go on. Now let's look at the next 4 notes. We go back to G, and remember, because we had a G flat earlier in the measure, it's still a G flat. And then what do the notes do? It steps up, and then steps down to A flat. Tick-a-tock-a. Listen again. Tick-a-tock-a. Let's try it with just the right hand. Your turn. Now let's try left hand. Tick-a-tock-a. Your turn. Now let's try hands together. Your turn. Now look at the next pattern. We have the same 4 notes again. G flat, stepping up to B flat, then stepping back to A flat, this time with the fermata. So with that fermata, we can hold it a little extra long. Tick-a-tock-a. And then we can go on. Now, let's listen to that entire line together. We have tick, tick-a-tock-a, tick, tick, tock, tick-a-tock-a, tick-a-tock-a. Pause the video and practice the B section, all of line 3 on your own, then press play to go on. When you're practicing line 3, I think it's really helpful to watch in the score for where the skips are. Okay? Sometimes there's repeats, step up, and then a skip down. I find that students have the most trouble on this line when there are these skips. So watch out for the skips. Skip down, skip up. Another skip down, step up, step down. And then steps for the rest. Okay, so you just have skips in a couple of places, but those places are really important to watch out for. Skip down, skip up, skip down again, and then the rest is all steps. Fermata, and then we get to go on to the last line. Now, as you're practicing this week, I'd like you to really make sure you're paying attention to the staccati and the slurs. You know, when should it be legato? When should it be staccato? Also, once you feel like you've got this mastered, I encourage you to try playing it along with the practice track. Let's listen to what it will sound like to play along with the practice track. You're going to hear 4 clicks at the start, and those clicks just come right away, and you'll count down. After those 4 clicks, we start playing. Here's what it will sound like. 3, 4. Now, a few things to notice about that. In the backing track, we have some fun with the ending of line 3, where it starts to slow down a little bit as we come up on that fermata. So just listen to the accompaniment and try and stay with the practice track to make that sound really good. And it's going to slow down a little bit on that last one as you come into the fermata, and then you're going to hear a da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, I hear the mill. And that's your cue to come back in. Listen for the ba-da-da-da-da-da-da, I hear the mill wheel, tick-a-tick-a-tock-a. Okay, it's a fun accompaniment to play along with. So I hope you enjoy playing with the practice track once you have the notes mastered. Great work learning the B section of I Hear the Mill Wheel. Thanks for watching and learning with me, and happy practicing. Chef, go along. Okay. Huh? Monkey. All right, go to sleep now, baby. Baby. Look, it's that Fermata. Hey, monkey. You just gave me an idea. Do you want to help me with something? Okay, follow me. I'll show you what we're going to do. Hey, Sharky. You looking for trouble? Sure. Come and get me.
If you
now,
say
monkey.
so.
Looks like you got caught by the Fermata. Nice job, monkey. Monkey? Monkey, where are you?